Well, this is just a quick update for everyone. This here is the end of the line. The creek that we look after, or one of the creeks, this is it. This is actually Fremont Park in South Australia, and like I said, there's a huge amount of wildlife here. I'll just try and zoom in on these fellas. These two ducks here. Then back out. And it's quite a little oasis for all different types of birds. Some people over there bloody feeding the ducks. You know, really, ducks are supposed to forage for their own food. Then never mind. Let's see, tons of seagulls there. And here where we are, we're probably 10 kilometres from the ocean. And while we were walking down here, we saw magpies, crows, ibis. These ducks here, no idea. Look at those fellas. Nice. But anyway, what I'll do, I'll just go for a quick walk around the lakes here and just give you a bit of an idea. Oh, hello, we've got two fellas here looking at me. Get that lady in the shot. She probably doesn't want to be in the video. Oh, look at these fellas. He thinks I've got food, obviously. No, towards me. Anyway, I'll just zoom back out and we'll just go for a bit of a walk around here. This is a man-made lake. It's not natural, and like I say, it flows all the way down from the hills, and this is their last catchment area. Whoops, that was just me tripping over a log. Not watching where I'm going. Hopefully the glare's not too bad once I cross over this little bridge here. It's got a fantastic bike track around it as well. They have bike and walking tracks. You see there, that's the 2 kilometre loop that goes around the park. And there is another one, I think it goes for about 5 kilometres. I'll just walk across the bridge here. What does that sign say? Hopefully there's not too much glare on it. Another nice little duck over there, sitting on his own. As you can see, just hanging around about here, it is a really nice park in the suburbs. It's nice to have these things up, and I really don't think people give this place enough credit for what it is. There is like 2 rivers that, or creeks really, that run sort of towards here. We've got multiple dams, little dams just like this one, scattered up and down. Enormous amount of barbecue areas, play areas for the for the kids. Just down the road here, just to our left, just down there, about 500 metres, there's a skate park. Obviously it's free. You see an awful large amount of young people down there, skateboards and BMX bikes, as well as right across the road, to keep their eye on it, is the police station. But there never really does seem to be any bother down there. I'll just keep walking around. There's another nice little old duck over there, pruning itself. Very nice. The advantage of all these water fountains, they keep their water aerated. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick it up here. There's another one. There it is, down there. There's some huge birds flying up here. I missed them Oh, hello, what's that? Anyway, not a bird expert, never professed to be. I'll just keep walking around. We might just nip up to the other fountain to just give you a quick look at that. I know the video's all of a sudden started to get a long one. I won't go all the way around, but we'll go around and just show you just exactly what we've got. We just had Australia Day celebrations just down the road here. Just down there it was. Huge celebration. Council put on music, food, breakfast, bacon, sausages, muffins, eggs. No, it was good effort by the local council. And you know, believe it or not, within the hour they were down there pulling it all apart and also cleaning up. I haven't been over there to see how much trash has been left, but I was hoping to do that. But time restrictions, folks. Here we go. If you wanted to take the 1 kilometre loop, it's just here. Now I won't videotape over there. There are people with children down there, so I won't go that way. What I'll do, I'll just walk back around this way. We'll go down. We'll just check out all these ducks, seagulls. What else? That's about all I can see at the minute. I don't actually see any ibises down here today either. Oh yeah, there's a couple there. Get in close and have a look. There they are. Those things with those giant beaks. They're an ibis. Just get a bit closer and have a look. Amazing bird, the ibis. Real scavenger. Look at those big beaks. So what do you think about that? Oh hello, what's that? Yeah, bird lovers, tell me what that is. What's that bird there? There's seagulls. Chip scavengers. Anyway, we might wind it up. I didn't show you the other waterfall. We'll do that on another day. Anyway, that's your update for today. Okay, thanks for watching.